freezing, -3. But the sun's out and it's lovely. So I thought I'd cycle out here, dressed up a bit warmer than usual. But now it's boiling hot. I have to take my coat off in a minute. Right, I got a signal. There it is. Oh. It looks like a tobacco tin knob, methinks. Yeah, I think it's a knob of a tobacco tin or something like that. Cool, right. Look at this signal I got here. $12.31. My gold ring was $12.31. Oh, it's gone down to $12.30. It's in here. Oh, what's that there? Oh, that's it. Is it a coin or a button? That was a very mid-range tone for a pesky button. Give it a quick rub. Yeah, that's all it was, a pesky button. Oh, we got something in here somewhere. Ah. Oh. Thought that was going to be something nice then. I saw the imprint, but it is a thing. Oh, perhaps it's some sort of Anglo-Saxon ring. Oh, look at this, my lovers. I just turned it over and out it popped. Ooh, facing to the left. Oh, it might have a date. Was that a date? Oh no, that's where I've whacked it. Unfortunately. Right, let's see if we can. I'm going to get a fawn out of the bushes and toothpick this one before it dries too much. Oh, there it is, my lovers, look. It's not bad going. King George II. You can see the two eyes up there, look. And we can just about see a date on the bottom there. Come on, focus. It looks like 1708. That looks like an O and that looks like a top of an 8. I'm not sure about his dates. So yeah, it's Britannia. Lovely jubbly. I'm back in my little Roman field. Look at this lovely bit of rim. Oh yes. Oh. Well, it's got a little line across it. That might be identifiable. Yeah, the inside's all broken unfortunately, but yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Can't wait to see what the geophysics says on this field. Go, look at this target here, my lovers. Bit of lead. Ooh, sounds a lot better now. Sounds sweet. What's that there? Oh, it's a spoon handle. Slightly twisted and bent spoon handle. What's that on there? Solder. Silver plated. So it'll bend back without snapping. Oh, yeah. Right, there we go. It is a spoon. Very thin, you know. Silver, look. Silver! Woohoo! I got a bit of silver today then. Just a bit. On to the next. Oh, look at this signal here. There's hardly anything on there, so you can't see much. But if you want, you can get my videos on the big screen. If you've got Freeview or cable television, you can get YouTube on there. And then obviously you'll see a much bigger picture of me metal detecting. Oh, that thing there looked a bit odd. But it's just a rock. Hold on, no on. Ah, this thing it does that now and again. It stops working, and it is one of those. Whatever one of those is, a lead thing. Oh, it's got something sticking out there. Or has it? Yeah, it's got something sticking out there. Some sort of weight. But the metal pin's there, look. Which is a bit odd. Right, what's that then, my lovers? The pin for holding it's there. Weird. It's like a little turd. On to the next. Oh, look at this signal I got here. It's really sweet. Don't know. Still in the hole. Missed it. Usually pretty good at getting pinpointing. What's that? don't know. Sort of curved. It's got like a groove down the inside. Feels heavy-ish. Don't think it's lead. Or is it? No, it's broken there, so I don't think it's lead. Some sort of pewtery type thing. Yeah, that was signal just here, my lovers. Oh, that's a bit better. Oh, ooh! I thought it was an iffy signal. Oh, look at that one. Is that a Beehive thimble? Have I got a Beehive thimble? I think I might. Looks like a Beehive to me. Ooh, yes. That sort of square on the top. Normally they're rounded, aren't they? A Beehive thimble. Look, you can see where the dots have been put on manually. They're all higgledy-piggledy. There, look. See how it comes down there and goes back up, look. The dots have been added manually. Lovely jubbly. Right, on to the next. Look at this, I'm having a bit of a thimble day. Another one. Not as old. That's machine made. Look at the uniformity of the dots, look. Or indentations. Imagine that Beehive thimble having the job. Putting on the dots, look. You'd have probably earned threepence a week for that. Look at that, my lovers, I've got a hat trick. Oh. A hat trick of thimbles. Must be the thimble. I have to call this the thimble field, methinks. Be nice if I had a nice silver one. A bit of silver, a bit more silver. A hat trick of thimbles. Onto the net, got something down in here. I hope it's not another thimble. Well, if it is going to be a thimble, a nice silver one would be alright. Oh, what's that? Oh, looks like a coin. Yeah, I think it might be a coin. Looks a bit toasted. Right, I'll get back to you once I've cleaned it up. Cannot see much on it. But what I can see, just there in the middle, see those lines going from left down to bottom right? That is about it. That's all I can see. So I think it's a Hibernia. King Charles, George the 3rd or 2nd or whatever. Right, the back is completely crustified. On to the next. We've got something down in here. Where's it to? Ah, right in the middle. Oh, there she blows. Right. Oh. It's looking a bit crusty. No, I can't see nothing there. Oh dear, definitely crusty. Right, I'm going to see if I can clean this at all. Give it a good scrub with the toothbrush, methinks. Try and get off all this crustation. I think I can just about see Britannia. Just. Right, I'll get it. Right, here it is, my lovers. Right, now, where is it? Let's get the light on it a bit better. Where's it to? Ah, just there where my fingernail is. You can just about see the little ribbons they have in the back of their hair. Just there. I can see a head facing to the left, so it's King George II, but this one's in worser condition than the other one. And on the back, it's crustified. Right, on to the next. Go, look at this signal I got here. Ooh, right in the middle. Nice gold ring. Ugh. It's another pesky spoon handle. Ugh. Yep. Oh look, it's almost identical to the other spoon. That bit of silver on it. Yeah. Almost identical. Look, it's even thin. Look how thin it is. Bizarre. Yeah, identical. Like a really bendy, weird spoon. Right, on to the next. Oh, that's it, me lovers. I'm off. The sun's almost going down, and I want to head off before it does. Because the other night I stayed out until the sun had gone down, and it's been a bit frosty lately. And on the way home on my bike, I almost got frostbite in my little fingers. It was that cold. So I'm going to head off before it does go down today. I don't want to freeze to death. So, right, hopefully I'll be out here tomorrow doing a bit more detecting. Hopefully the archaeologists will be coming back soon to finish off the rest of the fields. So, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers!
I have never had but one true love. In greenwood he lies slain. I'll do so much for my true love as any young girl may. kisses.